My innovation must be realized. In a world where innovation is everything, one last creation could change everything.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the stage of innovation that will change the world. Only in one innovation. Meet CoolCap, a revolutionary solution that not only cools your mind, but also gives you complete control over the future. With its sophisticated design and cutting-edge cooling technology, CoolCap is more than just an accessory.
Wow, I want that hat.
His innovation hides something strange, and he's not telling the whole story. We have to figure it out.
CoolCap really should exist in this world.
We must stop this before it's too late.
But how? We're just two people.
We need a team.
How is my innovation progressing?
The final CoolCap technology has been completed, sir.
Finally, give it to the division chief and we'll take it tomorrow to the innovation building and get a usage license.
You think it's possible?